Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we talk all things programming. Today's video is going to be about programming, which is one of the most in-demand skills in today's world. If you're someone who's interested in programming, or if you're just getting started, then you've come to the right place. Programming is the process of creating software, applications, and websites. It involves writing code that computers can understand and execute. There are many programming languages out there, each with its own set of rules and syntax. Some of the most popular programming languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. If you're just getting started with programming, then you might be wondering where to begin. One of the best places to start is with Python, which is a simple and easy to learn language. It's also used in a wide variety of applications, including data science, machine learning, and web development. Another important aspect of programming is debugging. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in your code. It's an important skill to have, as even experienced programmers make mistakes. Some tips for effective debugging include using print statements, using a debugger, and testing your code frequently. One of the best ways to improve your programming skills is by practicing. There are many websites and resources out there that offer coding challenges and exercises. These can be a great way to hone your skills and learn new concepts. So there you have it, guys. That's a brief introduction to programming. Whether you're just getting started or you're an experienced programmer, there's always something new to learn. Remember to practice, be patient, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With time and dedication, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled programmer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more programming content.